I do eventually make progress. Somebody asked to see the motor. The motor's been up there for about 5 years. Prepare for some disappointment. She's gonna be a bit dusty. I haven't opened it up for a while, but it's a straight 6 turbo diesel, 4.2 litres, Mercruiser. Been that long since I've looked at the information for it, I can't even remember what it is. And it's too dusty to take it all off. Sorry. When I bought it, I saw it start and run, but it hasn't been started since I've owned it. Fingers crossed it works. There's the turbo. There. And that's the leg I'm using, a Bravo 2. I made a stern drive lifter. At the end of this video, I'll show you I bought the hydraulic steering for it. While I was there, the guy at Brisbane Marine said that the Bravo 2 is not going to last. It needs to be an X-Torque or something. It looks exactly like the Bravo 2, but it's got different guts in it to handle the diesel torque. That's what the hoop looks like now. Currently, I'm working on the roof. Present date. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this blob. Thanks for joining me on my journey.
This is how we want the boat to look like inside.
I think you got a bit of work. I pulled out the rest of the fiberglass. Now I've got to clean it up. In case you forgot, last blob my fiberglass didn't go off. This is my next attempt to fiberglass it.
Because it's so hot, Michael's worried the fiberglass will set too quickly before he can get it into position properly.
I should have done it in small batches, but I'm too impatient.
He got greedy. Look at this mess. You can tell it's not going to work.
I'm panicking inside my head right now. How the heck am I going to make this good? Pre-wetting the sheet was not the best idea. After ripping off the peel ply, which was meant to be the top layer, I managed to get it in there. But just because it's in doesn't mean it was right. All this is a car polisher. Just in case you were wondering, this is not a finishing tool, but this is like the in-between. This gets me there. The other thing on the air compressor is a lot better, but nothing beats a big flat piece of wood with some sandpaper on it. I've got to do this edge now. I'll do it by hand. How much will it fall? It's very thin, so it should be good. I am so sick of seeing the transom look like chocolate mousse. I can't wait to have some nice paint on it. I just came to check if this stuff had gone off. It's been hours and it is still tacky. I thought I pulled an absolute fluke off getting that in the way I did, and now I'm thinking it's gonna all have to get ripped out. Hopefully it'll be alright tomorrow. It's been so hot, so I don't understand why it hasn't gone off. I mixed it to 1%. The only poopy thing is that the vinyl ester resin was pretty old, so maybe the vinyl ester resin was out of date. Fingers crossed. Oh my God. All right, it's the next day and it's still tacky. Oh my God. I am not having good luck with this.
See how the boat's going. Why did you poo on it? Seriously! I thought you said that you finished it. Been pooing on it.
I didn't say you finished it. I said I've been working on it. I knew it was disappointing. Sorry. This is all Arnie's ever known. Dad working on the boat. That's where the dunny's going. It's not that cool. Look at how massive the speakers are.
Is that the speaker?
That's going to be the subwoofer. It'll go
About the boat?
dum-dum.
My favourite part about the boat, the toilet.
And this is still wet, and it's 3 days later. Well, it's tacky. I wonder how easy that'll be. I got to rip all that up. That'll be the third time so this will be the third time or the fourth time of trying to get this fixed. Very annoying. Isn't it, Ollie? Yeah, annoying.
What are you gonna this?
That's nothing. I'll never run out of Capicil ever again. That's a lifetime's worth. I thought I was getting 10 litres. I got 10 kilos. This stuff went off fine, so I don't understand why the other stuff didn't go off. It rained last night. These were done like 4 days ago. That's shit. I really don't feel good about this. I probably could have left it in there. This is straight to the cooter, and it's coming off easier than the vinyl ester. I bet you there's some not amateurs just going, God, this guy's an idiot. Far out. I nearly have to pull the whole lot out. I did say that it was easy to do. It's my punishment. What am I doing with my life? I'm doing it in hard mode. That's what I'm doing. So I did chop strand, wovens, then chop strand, and it looks like the bottom layer of chop strand and the woven is okay, but for some reason the top isn't good. Luckily the wovens is in there because that's letting me pull it out. I'm so lucky. Yes. Nearly back to square one. It's so hot. It probably could have stayed, but this time I'll do it better. See, that stuff is good-ish. This is pus, and I could not get that out without replacing everything. As devastating as it was. Done. Been here before. It's actually worse than before. Oh well, I won't make any more mistakes from now on. It always happens. Never mind. Onwards and upwards. Carry on. Maybe if I finish this, I deserve a beer. That's a good idea. To get my morale up, I'll finish them off. If you guys think you're sick of looking at this thing, I fucking hate it. Okay, you son of a bitch, I'm gonna finish you. This is my idea. Just a single layer of this stuff I can't remember what it's called, I'm sorry, but it's pretty heavy wovens. Biaxial? It goes 2 directions, or one, I don't know. The important thing is I've bent it to shape. I'll use a roller to wet it out while it's on the table. And then I'll stick it on, use the scissors, cut where I need to. Bob's your uncle, I'll use bog after that. My dad always said the good thing about fiberglass is it bends, and it's meant to bend. It's good bending. Not that it'll get much bend on the angle that it's going to be in, or however you say it. Anyway, let's see how we go. Oh, I should have mixed more. I've had some people say that I should use vinyl ester instead of polyester. Sure. Hopefully this vinyl ester goes off. I cut it too short. It's been like 1 or 2 hours and this is hard as rock. Thank goodness for that. I'm so used to pressing everything together with melamine molds and stuff like that that I forgot what fiberglass is capable of. That fiberglass did it easy. The other side's going to come together quick. This is going to be done in no time. Just bought all of this stuff today. Been meaning to get the other amplifiers to run the smaller speakers. Big fat wire. I just bought the steering and the throttle with all the cables and everything to make it work. If anyone wants to know, that's what you need.